it clear, you're actually improving your immune system by clearing out these infections. And some of these herbs we're using may have immune supportive benefits too. So that's just the real joy of what we do is you're boosting the immune system. You're letting the gut heal by removing the infections. It's just amazing. And when you get the spouse involved too, like if you're seeing a rebound case where husband feels great and then the wife's sick and back and forth, they may be passing the H. pylori between each other, even children too.
Yes.
I mean, I was sharing water bottles with Summer, my daughter, when she was 2. I tested her when she was 2. She had real high H. pylori. So I'm convinced I may have given it to her. I don't know. But luckily, we did herbs and she's in good shape now. And when we retested her, the H. pylori is gone. So I'm glad that we're able to get it resolved. But this is a problem that affects kids. So like when someone hears heartburn, they automatically picture old Betty sitting in the wheelchair with the gray hair and she's got indigestion. She's got her Zantac in her hand. No, it's not just her. I mean, this could be 2 years old. This could be 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years old. So don't discriminate. This bacteria does not care what you look like and how big or small you are or anything. This is a bacteria that affects all people across the population. So if you have these issues, get tested, don't guess. And if you need help clinically, reach out. We work on this issue all the time. It's one of my favorite things to do is work on these gut infections. So if you need help clinically, we work around the world with people. We send testing to your home. You do the labs. We get them back to the lab for reporting. Then we jump on a call like we're doing now and we talk about it. And we help you make a protocol, help you fix your issues once and for all. So if you want to reach out to Justin, you can at his website, justinhealth.com. If you want to reach out to me, evanbrand.com. And like I mentioned, we've got some links. We've got some gut healing products and some things that we're okay with you guessing on. There are a couple of things you could do out of the gate, but ultimately you need to know what you're up against. Because as we alluded to, you may not have just H. pylori. You may have other infections. So coming in with the glutamine, the zinc carnosine, the elm, that kind of stuff, the chamomile, the ginger, the manuka, it's awesome, but that may not be the right order of operations. It may help you buy some time, but you got to clear the bugs.
100%. And there's a lot of studies out there looking at H. pylori, for instance, with a lot of mood and stress and depression and anxiety related conditions. And they find that when a lot of the H. pylori is addressed, some of these changes occur as well, with these issues improve, or they talk about antidepressant drugs working better. Now, why is that happening? Now, I believe the reason why it's happening is because when you address some of these bacterial overgrowths, you're absorbing your nutrients better. You're absorbing your protein, you're absorbing your fat, and in some cases, probably absorbing their drugs better. So they work better because they're in their system. Now, I personally believe if you're not breaking down your proteins and your fats, these are functional building blocks for your neurotransmitters, that you're going to have some issues in regards to your mood and your cognitive function and potentially energy, because a lot of the nutrients and minerals and B vitamins have to get absorbed that way.